and the Best Actress Award.
Anim ang magagaling na naglalaban-laban sa Best Actor sa taong ito. Everyone showed their gifts in their acting performances, but who will be the 73rd famous Best Actor?
Alamin natin, because here are the nominees for Best Actor.
The nominees for Best Actor: Arjo Atayde for Topak, Alden Richards for Hello, Love Again.
Kapunas lang ng buwan. Kung yan ang gusto mong gawin, sige. Joy, I am more than this.
Dennis Carrillo for Rainbows.
Court finds Domingo Zamora guilty of the murder of his sister Joanna Zamora.
Vice Ganda for Andy Breadwinner Elise.
Huwag mo na kayong magugutom ha! Huwag mo na kayong kakain kasi pagod ako magpapahinga lang kahit sandali.
Aga Mula for Uninvited.
National, dahil kong bisita.
Kelvin Miranda for Chances Are You and I.
For Best Actor, we have a tie. Do you have anyone guess? Could you please shout who your guests? Sino po? Ano Max? Babasahin naman natin po kasi sila mag-cheer para sa atin.
I think we should go ahead and do it.
Huh? Sino? Okay. For the famous Best Actor.
Arjo Atayde, Topak.
Congratulations, Arjo.
Wala po siguro masasanay sa ganito. Kinakabahan ako ng sobra, nahihiyak. Meron lang pong hinandang kodigo para walang makalimutan, just in case. Una po sa lahat, sa FAMAS, maraming salamat for the recognition. Sa pagbibigay pansin sa aming kakayahan sa lahat po ng ginawa namin sa Topak. Sa mga sundalo po, sa pagbibigay inspirasyon para magawa itong storya na to. Hindi lahat na may topak naman eh. We are all unique in our own ways. Most of the time misunderstood. To anyone and to everyone who is experiencing mental health issues, know that you are loved and you are never alone. To our three producers, Nathan Studios, Todogs, and Fusey Media, thank you for believing in me. To Direk Richard, maraming salamat. The captain of the ship, and po si Direk, maraming salamat, Direk. We don't work for this, but we work to tell a good story, and this is what happened. To my co-actors, of course, Julia, Sid, to the whole gang, maraming salamat. Thank you for making our lives easier on the set. To my parents, I love you so much. And of course, to my wife, thank you, Baba. I love you. Thank you for supporting me always. And just a short message. This award will serve not just a source of this award will serve as another source of inspiration for me to do better every time I face a new chapter. And may everyone in this pavilion continue to be soldiers of the industry. Huwag po tayong magsawang bigyang kulay pa, inspirasyon at direksyon ang ating industriya. Patuloy po natin suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino. Sa FAMAS po, maraming salamat and may everyone have a good evening. Salamat po.
Congratulations, Arjo Taide for Topa Best Actor FAMAS. Pero as I've said, dalawa po ang panalo ng Best Actor. Ganyan, siguro hindi talaga sila maka-decide kung sino. And even ako, you know, your guess is just as good as mine.
Exactly.
Meron ba kayong hula kung sino? Well, let's see. Kasi, the FAMAS for Best Actor goes to
Vice Ganda! Congratulations, Vice!
FAMAS Best Actor. FAMAS Best Actors, Arjo Taide and Vice Ganda. Brightest stars in Philippine cinema.
Absolutely.
Oh my God! Nakakaloka to. Naloka mo ako talaga. Maraming salamat. Nagpunta lang po talaga ako dito kasi gusto ko talagang i-celebrate with Direk June Lana yung nomination namin for Best Picture kasi ito po yung kauna-unahang pelikula kong na-nominate ng Best Picture sa FAMAS. I'm just so happy. Pagkatapos po namin ginawa yung And the Breadwinner is, talagang sabi ko, lahat ng award-giving bodies na mag-i-invite o mag-nominate sa atin, pupuntahan ko talaga kasi gusto ko ipagdiwang itong pelikulang ginawa namin nila direksyon, itong And the Breadwinner is, kasi talagang pinagmamalaki ko talaga siya. At talagang niyayakap ko at ipinagpapasalamat ko lahat ng nominations and recognitions na binibigay sa amin. Kaya lahat, kahit yung mga awards sa school, pinupuntahan ko kasi nagpapasalamat talaga ako. At saka gusto ko talagang ipagsigawan yung pride ko sa paggawa nitong pelikula And the Breadwinner is. Actually, yung nomination ko, hindi yun ang nakapag-pressure, nagbigay ng pressure sa akin tonight. Ang nagbigay talaga ng pinakamabigat na pressure sa akin, yung kasama ko sa table si Nadine at saka si Ate, di na pareho silang may trophy. Tapos, nagpipicturean kanina na nahihiya akong sumapak. Sabi ko, ay shit, ako lang walang trophy sa table. Pero congratulations Nadine and Ate D. So, maraming salamat sa FAMAS. This is actually my second FAMAS trophy. My first FAMAS trophy was given years back. But I was able to receive the trophy personally because I had a gig somewhere. So nanay ko yung pumunta dito. I was given the very first Dolphy Award. At gusto kong gamitin ang pagkakataon to na pasalamatan kayo dahil ako po yung pinili niyong parangalan ng kauna-unahang Doffy Award. At ito naman, Best Actor, yung nomination lang talaga, sabi ko, Direk June, sabi ko, I'm just so proud. Sabi kay Ate Bitch, ang saya-saya ko, ang proud na proud ako, nominated ako. Kaya nandito ako, proud na proud talaga ako, nominated ako. Tapos nanalo pa ako, maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Pamas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. Diba? So, may this trophy, may this recognition, may this award inspire all the queer kids na makakakita nito sa social media o kung saan man. May this recognition inspire you to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you're limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless. So maraming salamat sa Pamas. Direk June, panalo to ni Direk June kasi hiyang-hiya ako sa kanya. Sabi ko sa lahat ng artist ang hinahawakan na laging nananalo. Ako lang yung pumalya dun sa Film Fest. Pero Direk June, panalo ni Direk June ko, siya ang gumawa sa akin as an actor dito sa The Breadwinner is. Kaya maraming salamat Direk June Lana. Sa Star Cinema, maraming salamat kay Chris Gasmian, kay Tita Cory Vidales, kay Sir Carlo, sa lahat ng bumubuo, sa lahat ng mga co-actors ko. Sila talaga ang sumuporta sa akin, nagturo. Si Tita Malu lalo na nag-workshop sa akin, and I would like to share and thank for this award, Direk Wendy Ramos. Ikaw nagsimula. Maraming salamat. Pamas, maraming salamat po. Arjo, congratulations. Super deserved. At sa lahat ng mga nominees, sila Dennis Trillo at lahat, super deserved. Hinahangaan ko kayong lahat. Lalo na nung nanalo ng Best Picture kanina, sabi ko kay Nadine, yung team nun, sabi ko, I'm just so amazed by these people. Nakakahanga. Kasi sila yung damang-damang mo yung passion at dedication sa ginagawa. Pagdating sa box office, medyo bihado sila eh. Pero patuloy silang lumalaban kasi meron silang ipinaglalaban na gustong sabihin. Kaya hinahangaan ko po kayo. Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Lord, thank you so much. Thank you very much because you're making me win no matter what. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Vice Ganda and Arjo Atayde. Best actors for Famas. Can you have a photo with the board? Congratulations again. I can never stop congratulating Sir Arjo Atayde and of course, the Vice Ganda for such very well-deserved. Grabe, Max. Grabe, ramdam ko talaga yung puso nila parehas and talagang yung effort na binigay nila dun sa